cool would it be if we built a machine that could draw pictures for us?
That's what this CrunchLabs kit is all about. From what I've read, it only makes a few main designs, but we're curious to see how far we can push it.
That's why I'm excited to test it. We've already been thinking about hacks like layering colors, moving the paper, or swapping pens.
Stick around to see if those tricks give the drawing machine more life and how it stacks up to the other CrunchLab kits we've already built.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Evan.
And I'm Ryan.
Welcome to the Bonding Blueprint. So this one's a drawing robot, and it uses something called linkages.
Which basically means different arms hooked together with a pivot point, and those arms guide the pen around.
And when the two wheels spin a little out of sync, the pen makes cool, crazy patterns.
We're not engineers, but that's how it was explained to us, and it's fun to see in action.
Before we started, we watched the Mark Rober videos that come with every CrunchLabs kit.
Yep, in the video, Mark explains the STEM principles behind the kit and then a really quick build video so you can see what to expect. Super valuable part of these kits.
We still use the manual to build, but those videos are a great way to get hyped up before you start. Time to unbox and let's get building.
We're ready. Let's build this thing.
Okay. Opening.
This is the drawing machine.
Okay.
Drawing
machine. I thought it was like a drawing invention. I thought that was the name.
Drawing machine.
New book. Looks really cool.
All right.
Forget what those are for.
Get it opened up.
A pen. Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
I used to have one of these type things, except it was a rainbow.
I think you still do something.
I don't.
Pads. Different pins.
That.
Pads, foam rings, some... Oh, these are the feet, I think, that go underneath
Oh,
it.
yeah, that's what they are.
Padding.
We don't really need this. Yeet. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Ooh,
Oh, that's a motor.
hefty motors. Got two of them, one for each wheel.
Yeah, let's go. Flywheel. There's the flywheel.
Plugs. The gear
Yeah, the gear.
might be in that bag.
Yeah, I think I see it. Oh, I see it. Oh.
Gotta get our weekly accomplishment gear for our... Ooh.
I got it.
All right, so which one's that one? What's that one called?
Linkage.
Linkages.
Yeah, what he just said.
Yeah. So again, if you haven't seen our previous videos, these one gear comes in every single box, and then at the end of the year, you'll have 12 gears. Same thing on that one. Get the pin lined up.
Yep.
Good. Linkages added to the mix. Very cool.
Yeah.
All right. Got that up
Okay,
there.
so now I'm just gonna like dump all this stuff out.
Oh, careful, careful, careful. Is that a gumball?
No. It's in the thing it makes like a clipboard. See? It's a ball joint.
Oh, ball joint.
This is the paper. Some extra paper.
Oh, good,
but I mean
good.
we can like
Oh, we can cut our own paper and
Yeah.
make some more for sure. All right.
Okay.
There's the board.
that's the board.
Get the manual.
Let's do
opened
this.
Up. Start building.
New video unlocked. Okay. So take our motors.
Get the motors, and I think you need these pads.
Yeah.
Yeah, while you're doing one, I'll do the other. Give me something to do.
I did it.
So I got you that one. All right. So
Now you have to take the covers off. What?
do we only have one of these? And it only goes on one motor? Oh, it's a spacer. Because remember, when the
Yeah.
linkages are together, one of them is going to be a little higher than the other. So it makes sense. So that one's got the wood on it. So we just got to make sure the wood spacer goes on the right side of the panel. All right. Make sure
This one says it has a circle on front, and then this one has a square. But why is...
I put it on the wrong one. I didn't realize there was a square and a circle. Trial
what are
and
you
error.
doing?
Taking the sticky off of that one so you can put that one on there.
What? Oh,
That one's supposed to be on that one, right?
yeah.
Okay. Right. So this is the one without the wood. So you just get them to line up. Those stickers
this thing harms me.
Yeah, the stickers are, they just do not agree with you. So just make sure all the holes line up. I think there's holes on the top you got to watch out for too.
Yeah, they're fine.
You got it? Yeah, all right, cool. Good. Then we got what? This battery. You want to do the sticky pad this time?
No.
So just make sure, Evan did this a little bit off camera, but there's usually a little plastic slip in the bottom which keeps the batteries from being used while it's in transit.
This piece.
Yep, he pulled it out. That's okay. Maybe
all
we can.
You need
I
to
think
do
they make
is
some
just...
other. They make some other multicolored pens.
Yeah,
that
all
have,
you
like,
need to
even
do
more
is,
colors.
if you did that, you just press one in, and it automatically goes up.
All right.
I know, cool.
And then you want me to take this white page off?
Yep, definitely.
The sticker. This will be a good quiz. So on and on-off switch. Do you remember which one means on and which one means off?
That's on, and that's off.
Okay.
I'm smart.
The other way. Right, you just said, right, the line is on and the circle is off. So if it matches up with those words, you're gonna want it like that. And that's what the picture shows too. Still lined up?
Round of applause.
All right, next page. Ah, these little things.
Oh gosh.
Oh, at least you're good with them now. Oh, it's a backup to hold the motors in place. So it goes, it's to secure the motor, yeah. So what he shows is he puts both of them in this side first. I don't know if that helps, but then maybe that makes it so you can, because then you can shift it like that and make it so you can grab both. So pull one up and then pull the other up. There you go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Evan loves it when I say that.
No, I don't.
Here we go. We figured it out.
Yeah, let's go.
We're practically engineers. All right. Wiring it up time. Here you go. I think you need one of these and one of these. Okay. One of those. One of those. Yep. And of course, those watching at home, make sure you're matching up the red with the red and the black with the black. And the side with the 2 leads goes into the motors, and the side with the 1 goes in the battery pack. There you go. All right, now you plug it into the battery. Let there be life. It works. Yeah,
Why is it moving so slow?
Well, so
why is that one moving so fast and that one's moving so slow?
Remember, so if they move the exact same speed, the linkage would just make the same pattern over and over again because they'd both be moving at the same speed. One of them is meant to go faster than the other, so then it makes a variation in the movement. Here's that, and those 2.
These 2. Am I gonna get it?
You did it.
Won't go on my nose.
Won't go on your nose? How dare it?
I know.
Don't force it. There's only one way those wheels can go on, right? Because if you look at the wheel, see how it's got the flat side and the rounded side, right?
There's no sticky side on the other side.
There's what?
There's no sticky side.
That's because the sticky side is supposed to go on the blue. So that stays.
I'm
That's
sure about that.
Linkages are going to screw into the top of that. So the sticky pad is meant to keep the yellow piece on the blue.
Yeah, dub.
It's supposed to be the exact same. Yeah. Okay.
We even tested it.
And we
I'm so
tested.
smart.
Red feet. Red feet for you.
Stick him on. No.
Oh, I was just going to undo the sticky pad for you. Now that you're getting good at it, you want to keep doing it?
Now you said that I'm failing.
Too much pressure. It's a good thing that with the art of camera magic, I can cut all of this fumbling out. Maybe. Let there be feet. All right, next step. Oh, here you go. You need one of those and one of those.
Bruh. Hey, I'm installing it. That's...
Yep. Exactly what you thought.
Yeah.
Goes all the way through to the other side.
Oh.
That's what keeps it pressed up against the board.
Mm.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's going to get tough. Here, I'll hold the bottom of it for you.
Oh.
Got it? Almost? 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 A finger pinch? You can do it. You can do it. You're so close. So close.
No.
So far away. Wait, so close?
No.
No.
Oh, it bent.
Uh-oh. Oh. You're welcome.
Dub. Now I put the ball in. See? I'm so
That's how the
smart.
clipboard works. That's cool. That's a neat design. I like that.
Using, I want to say it's a joint.
Yeah, what kind of
Ball joint.
Hey. Oh, hey, look, pro tip. A ball joint uses a ball to help things rotate smoothly. You have a ball joint in your shoulder and hip bones. Did you know that? Like where your arm attaches to your body, that's actually a ball and socket. Like one bone is a ball and it goes in.
Mind blown.
Ow. All right.
Oopsies.
All right, let's see. What do we get now? All right, linkage time.
Bruh.
So you need, what is this? Black
Silver
Velcro?
wire.
And this. Boop.
I guess I do. Now don't say I can't do it.
Okay. This whole video is just going to be us taking sticky paper off of the backs of things.
Here.
And so this white sticky Velcro goes on this blue piece. I think this is so you can...
I did it!
Noise.
Hallelujah.
I think this is so you can attach and detach different linkage arms.
So how do I put it on?
So it goes, I guess it doesn't matter which side, but you just want to get it right there.
Oh, that is so good.
That is good. Nice. And then, yeah, it'll slide down. And then the Velcro helps hold it in place, I'm guessing.
It's like a wrench.
Yeah.
Look.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Pro tip.
Pro tip.
This.
Oh.
That and that.
Yeah, the rivet that holds the linkage arms together and lets the arms rotate easily. Pivots are the point things rotate around. It's a pivot rivet. Say that 5 times fast.
Pivot, rivet, pivot, bye-bye. Pivot, rivet, pivot, rivet, pivot, rivet, pivot, rivet, pivot, rivet.
Did she say rivet or rivet?
Don't ask.
Okay. All right.
Hey, it's the arm.
There you go. Yeah. That's like your arm.
It's your
shoulder
arm.
joint. It's my arm.
Yeah, it's your arm. See, there's such a resemblance. I mean, that's, see?
All right. Okay, so you get that on.
This.
Oh, this.
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 This. I'll edit out the part where we found out I was right. Probably not. I'll probably do
This is where the pens go. This is where the pen goes.
maybe.
It is.
Oh, yeah.
See? See?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
It does.
Does it?
It does because the heights of the linkages are specific to be on top of each other. That's why this wheel is sitting higher than this wheel is to offset for those heights. So when you're removing a pin like this, right, pushing on it doesn't do you any good. What you need to do is push both sides in together, and then it just slides right out, right? That's how it holds it in place.
Oh!
All right, and then now...
If we add one more piece here, it'll look like an E.
Ooh. All right, here we go. Ready? The E in the middle is going to be a little weird and long, but this is now the Evan linkage. Dun, dun, dun. All right, might be easier if you hold it yourself. Oh, there you go. You got it.
Oh!
All right. So this is a linkage, right? This is an example of a linkage, similar to like a scissor lift or scissors, right? But that's what a linkage is. Now you take screws. Yep. So here's one screw.
Sif, and then screw sif.
And so, right, you can put it in either hole on the wheel. So you can put it in the near hole or the far hole, and then depending on which hole you put it in, it changes the design, I think. So why don't we start with both inside holes first? We'll see what that pattern makes. But oh man, that looks like it's gonna make a pattern, huh? Don't force it too much. Oh, that's the end actually. Now we just put the pen in and a piece of paper. All right, try that.
There we go.
There we go. So now we just have to like let it run for a while and see what kind of pattern it makes. Linkages aren't just in this toy, they're all around us. Ladders, scissor lifts, vice grips, folding chairs. I'm sure I'm forgetting some.
I thought it was cool to learn how linkages are used to turn the wheels on your car.
All right, so overall, the kit's pretty neat. The build quality feels solid and the instructions are clear as usual.
I really liked being able to experiment with the different hacks and see the results pretty quick.
Yeah, we were pretty concerned with the limited design options out of the box. It would get old pretty quick, but a kit like this leaves room for experimentation. More so probably if you had like a 3D printer and you could make some custom linkage arms. And we're still gonna play around after this video to see how far we can take the different hacks.
If you have ideas for other hacks we can try to make cool patterns, leave a note in the comment. We'll try and post the result.
Hopefully, if you've made it this far, you're enjoying our videos. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.